let's see. 聞いてみて Ask me.
聞いてみて。
聞いてみて Yeah, はいはい。聞いてみて Man, my me is terrible. I gotta fix this. 聞いてみて Right? Jesus. Half of it was perfect. 聞いてみて Okay. 答えて Tell me the answer. 答えてください。知らせる Right? 知らせる Let me know. Tell me or let me know. Right? Okay. 今度 Next time. Okay. 混んでる is crowded, right? 今度 next time. I don't know why I wrote this down. I know. I remember why for some of my lessons. Inko, small parrot. Omu, large parrot, right? Okay, so let's get back to our book. I have been studying this. What does it say? Kokugo ichinen kazaguruma. What does that mean?
The thing that.
Oh, yeah. I didn't need to. Yeah, it's the pinwheel. We call it pinwheel. The stick with the little thing that goes in the air, a little propeller.
Right.
Yeah, that's why I didn't write it down. I'll never use that word. Okay, which page was I on? I've got to start writing down the page I finished on, right? Let's see. Okay, we did the sun thing. We did this one. We did this. Page 31. Okay, I think we're on page 32. Okay, so I guess the camera sees this upside down, right? Okay. Hana no michi. Flower street? Okay. Hana is flower, michi is street. Street of flowers. Okay. Kuma-san ga 袋を見つけました。クマさんが袋を見つけました。Okay? And in quotes, おや、何かなはいはい。おや、何かないっぱい入っている。Okay, let me see if I can read this normally now. 車さんが What? 車さん That's a car, right? Yeah, okay. It's a bear. We're talking about a bear. 車さんが袋を見つけました。おや、何かないっぱい何かないっぱい入っている。Okay, so what does this mean? クマさんが So the bear 袋 is like a bag, right? Okay. 見つけました。The bear, Mr. Bear found something in the bag, right? おや、何かなIt's like, I wonder what it is, right? Oya. Isn't oya like hot water?
Oyu?
Oyu. Oh, that's oyu. Oya. What is oya?
Oya is like, oya, wow.
Like, wow.
Oh.
What the hell? Something like, okay. Okay. What the hell is this, I wonder? Okay. Oya. So it's like it's a saying. It's not an actual word or meaning.
Right,
okay.
Right.
Oya, nani kana? Ippai haite iru. This bag is full. Right? Okay. So shall I show it so everyone can see? Here, let me do it this way. How's that? Okay. So if they want to pause and read it for themselves, they can.
Okay.
Because it's hard enough for me to read right side up, let alone upside down. Okay, next page. クマさんがと 友達のリスさんに聞きに行きました。Okay. Let me try to read it more smoothly. 車さんが What? Kuma. I'm getting my cars and bears mixed up. Okay. 熊さんが友達のリスさんに聞きに行きました。Okay, so Mr. Bear's friend is a squirrel. So Risu-san ni Risu squirrel, Mr. Squirrel. So Mr. Bear's friend is Mr. Squirrel. Risu-san ni Kiki ni listened? Kiki. No, it's Kiku. Kiki.
聞きます
Kikima. Listening?
聞きに
Kiki ni. Okay. So Mr. Squirrel was listening.
No.
No?
そう聞きに行きました
Kiki ni ikimashita. Ah.
So that's the purpose of going
Oh. Okay. Going to listen?
ask
Kiki. Oh, so
Kiku
Kiku is functions not only as listen but also ask.
yes
Okay. Okay, so Mr. Bear and his friend, along with his friend Mr. Squirrel. No.
Mr. Bear went to ask
Mr. Squirrel.
Mr. Squirrel
Ah, okay. Like about the bag. What the heck is this? Okay, let's show the camera again. Is that okay? That angle? Okay. Okay? Okay. Now. Oh, this is getting exciting. I didn't write down any words yet. Okay. Kuma-san ga fukuro o okemashita.
Oh?
Akemashita. Nani mo orimasen.
Oh.
Arimasen. Arimasen. Okay. Shimatta onaka.
Oh.
Onaga.
Oh.
Anaga. Is that Yeah, anaga. Why am I doing that? I know it. Anaga aite ita. Aite ita. Okay, one more time. Kuma-san ga fukuro o akemashita. Nani mo arimasen. Shimatta. Okay, shimatta. Ana ga aite ita. Okay, so Mr. Bear with his bag akemashita. Opened? Open. Okay, Mr. Bear opened the bag. Nanimo, nothing was in it. Right? Arimasen. Yeah. Nanimo arimasen. There was nothing in it. Shimatta. He closed it.
No this shimatta is like shoot
Crap. Nothing in it. Uh-oh, what'd I do? Right? Anaga aite ita. Anaga aita.
so what's ana
I don't know.
hole
Hole? Oh, anaga aite ita. There was a hole in it. Oh, okay, so ana is a hole. Okay, so you're gonna do this to me. Okay. Let's see. That's so good. Whenever I try to make it better, I make it worse, right? Okay, ana equals whole. I didn't know that. I know a lot of words. I didn't know that one. Okay. Oh, let's hold it up so everybody can see. Okay. They can always pause, right? Okay. What page is this? Okay, last one. Yay. My brain's hurting already. Okay. Atatakai kaze ga fuki ha or fukiwa? Fukiwa.
Ha.
Ha, that is ha. Okay. Fukiwa.
Fukihaji.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Fuki hajime mashite. Fuki, okay. Fuki hajime mashita. Okay. Nagai. Hana no ippon michi ga dekimashita. Okay, let me try this again. Atatakai kaze ga fuki hajimemashita. Nagai. Hana no ippon michi ga dekimashita. Okay, so atatakai kaze ga. So a warm breeze, right? Fuki hajimemashita. Started.
So two.
To blow. Oh, yeah, fuki is blow, right? So a warm breeze started to blow. Okay? Nagai. Nagai is long. So it's blowing for a long time? Fast?
It's about the words after that.
Oh, okay. Hana no. Oh, long flowers. Hana no ippon michi ga. There was a long road of flowers. Path of flowers. A long path of flowers. Dekimashita. Because of it. So it was seeds. And he walked and all, I got it. He walked with the seeds and they grew all the flowers. That's so nice. That's a great first grade story.
Okay.
Yeah, for our friends who didn't catch the first part of this is a first grade Kokugo or Japanese book. Kind of like the equivalent in America or an English-speaking country of your first grade English book in Japan, which is what I'm studying now. I'm the beginning of first grade. Okay, yay. Good job. Yes.